Everybody is talking about faceless YouTube channels, but nobody is talking about faceless Facebook pages. Even me saying it sounds somehow because, well, faceless Facebook. I found a new faceless method that is actually booming on Facebook right now that people are using to make money for themselves. And I feel like I have to come in and share this. By the way, I know this might be strange for you if you've been watching me for a very, very long time. But if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Let's get right in. Trust me, I understand how you feel. The crazy guy is back.
Crazy person.
Take a good look at this particular chat. This person here have over 107 million views on her page posting this particular kind of content, right? And this is in the last 28 days, 107 million views. Guess how much this person will earn if the person has good audience retention. And the funny part is that this person does not even do much.
Lazy.
And the person can post up to 10 to 15 videos every single day with this particular method. I mean, this is insane. And this is exactly what I want to show you how you can do today and how you can go about it. Please, I promise I won't do this again. I won't do this, but let me just do this last time. If I give you this 2,000 naira, will that be helpful in any way, or will it be an insult? Just let me know in the comment section. So the first thing we have to do is for us to go on TikTok. I mean, anybody have TikTok on their phone. What we are going to search right here is called Chinese. Let's search for Chinese. You can see Chinese songs. You can see Chinese rap, Chinese food. We don't want any of these. So let's just go. Let's just search for Chinese technology. Right, Chinese technology, or Chinese tech factory. No, I don't think that is it. Let's search for Chinese gadgets. Different gadgets from China actually came up on my search right here. And some of these videos have, like, this one I have 4,000 likes on TikTok. You can see. Now this is a gadget where I think this actually gives you soap to wash your hands. I think that's what this does. And let's check another gadget. This other one, I think a remote control fan. You can see that, and it also have light. Wow, that's amazing. This might not be gadget. It might be for different things. It might be for hair, it might be electronics, it might be for furniture, because Chinese people are so innovative that they are producing a lot of things. So you have to pick a focus. You have to focus on a specific part. If you want to download the videos, I recommend you don't download the watermark. There are a lot of tools that can help you download videos from TikTok. I don't want to get in trouble. All right, if you need the name of the website, just comment website in the comment section. I might actually reply you with the name of the website, or join my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group for you to DM me directly. I'm going to drop the name for you. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. So what you need to do is for you to go ahead and click on the share button right here. Let me just download the video right here, and we're going to see if there's watermark on it or there is no watermark. Just finish downloading the video. Let me open it. The video has no watermark on it. So after you finish downloading the video, the next thing right here is just for you to narrate what is happening on the video. It's very simple. Just for you to narrate what is happening on the video. Well, for this particular video, I'm going to use a particular channel right here as a case study. Let me show you how this looks like. This particular page has over 646,000 followers on Facebook. So let's see the kind of content this person posts on her page. She reacts to different gadgets. This one has over 104,000 likes, not views. How much do you think this person is earning from this page? And as you can see right here, these videos are not even long. The video she put on this particular stuff, this is like a dummy video. The thing is just there, absolutely doing nothing. All right, so the main question right here, what are we going to name this niche? Because I don't think this niche has a name. I know you asked me, are you the one that founded the niche? Why do you want to name it? Yes, I'm from America. You know, we name things that already have their names. So what are we going to name this particular niche? Just let me know in the comment section. Is it called Chinese gadget niche? Is it technology gadget niche? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, how can I create a Facebook page? How can I do this? I already created a video on how you can create a Facebook page. I'm going to play one of our videos. Let's see how it sounds. I don't know if I'm going to have copyright on that. Get this particular video on TikTok, then what you have to do is for you to take it down to InShot and start your editing. So the first thing for you to do, if you come down to InShot, so the first thing for you to do is for you to import the clip. We just downloaded a clip right here from TikTok. You have to take note of that. If you want to kill the sound, just come here and click on the kill sound button at the bottom. You're going to see let me show you that. So just click on this kill sound button at the bottom right here. You're going to cue the sound. You want to record your own sound, just click on the music icon, click on the voice recorder icon, and just accept to whatever they ask you to accept. From here, you can start your recording. It's as simple as ABC. Another thing I'm going to recommend for you to get is to get a microphone. But if you don't have a microphone, well, your phone's microphone is still okay. If you're using a good phone, just go ahead and click on the record. For example, let me start my recording. All right, this is very, very beautiful. This is a new orange peeler. I can see this particular gadget can peel your orange, can peel your fruit, can peel any kind of fruits you want to peel. You can see it's actually very, very clean. Oh, this is apple. You can even use it to peel your apple. This is actually very, very clean and beautiful. And you don't have to go through the stress of eating. That is how you can record it. I'm just showing you how you can record something like this. I mean, you can make it better than that, man. You can actually make it even more better than that. You can tell a story, can make it funny. Let's play that. Let's hear how it sounds. Alright, this is very, very beautiful. This is a new orange peeler. I can see this particular gadget can peel your orange, can peel your fruit, can peel any kind of fruit you want to peel. You can see it's actually very, very clean. Oh, this is apple. And if you use it to peel your apple, this is actually very, very clean and beautiful. And you don't have to go through the stress of eating. So you hear how that actually sounds. So this is all what you need. I mean, you don't need much. You don't even need more than this, right? So once you export your clip, it's done. This method can make you post 15 to 20 times on Facebook every single day. Make sure you follow this particular method. Get clips there, come over here, react to them, post it on Facebook, and that is all, right? Once you get to your monetization threshold, from there you monetize your page and you start earning money from your page. It's as simple as ABC. So tell me if you're going to start this in the comment section, right? And don't forget to tell me if 2,000 naira is going to do anything for you, or if it's just a slap to your face, man. That would be that would be embarrassing. Anyways, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.